Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me.
And,
yeah, I know. I haven't been active lately, so yeah. We might. Yeah, I'm getting ready to take a bike ride. You know, just any day, So.
But we have to wear helmets, so.
Yeah. Safety first.
I won't try these things at home, which I'm going to do here.
But still,
I do awesome tricks.
we have to be safe. Really nice and safe. Considerably.
Yeah, I crashed
considerably safe.
And yeah, at my friend's, we were like going down a hill, and so he was super slow, so I had to save his life. So I swerved, and I hit into the neighbor's
What'd you do now?
thing. And
What'd you do?
I flew off the bike.
What'd you do?
You know.
I didn't hear you, because if you tried to save my life, that's a lie. Because I took my own separate way. Ronnie?
Yeah. So
this is kind of hard. Kind of hard to vlog on a bike. So if something happens, it's my bike's fault. It's not my fault. Hiya. Yeah. Complete nice bike ride. So good. Feels so great. My nephew stopped. So I'm gonna take you guys on our tour on our neighborhood. So yeah, here we are. To the end of my destination. There's Leah over there. Yeah, I know it's a weird name for a boy, but it's Leah. Here he finally comes.
dude, I ran into a bush. I'm leaving now.
You're fine.
No, the bush had spikes.
You're fine.
So yeah.
So we're having a good time. I might head over to Ronnie's.
It's a nice day. You wanna go to Ronnie's?
Do you want to?
Well, he's not here. He went to go to his dad's.
Okay, so guess we might head back now. Safety first, just like plop this on my head. I can't race with a phone. Yes, you can. You can ride without no hands. Well, I can too, but I can barely do it. Yeah, so we're on our way back to the house. It was a nice bike ride. It's a nice bike ride. Filming right in the neighborhood. Yeah, this is a story all about how my YouTube channel got twisted upside down. Yeah, it was just one thing that changed it. It was me. Yeah. Yeah. You guys are gonna view my videos for that rhyme. That was 10 out of 10. But, so yeah. you guys enjoyed this vlog, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more neighborhood vlogs. If you guys want more neighborhood vlogs, yeah, so you guys want more? You guys want more? Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, comment and subscribe. I want 3
So,
subscribers on this video. I know it's not a lot. And I want 100 likes this video.
I'm sorry,
If you do that,
trying not to.
I'll give you $20 in return. And
He won't.
yeah.
He won't.
Bye guys.